Hi everyone, I just got Allonsi shoes in the mail. It's actually my second pair, and it's my second pair because I'm a little obsessed with them. This pair is the Allonsi Thomas, that's what they're called, the Thomas shoe, and I'm going to show you why I picked them because they're very much my style. So one, we love the box. Okay, and I just love the packaging that it comes in. So packaging freaks, it's for you. So shows you maintenance and care and how the shoe was made, strength, durability, repair quality. I mean, it's really informative, which we love, and we love a shoehorn. And so this is what the shoe. Oh, I love these personal bags because then I could like repurpose them and put things in them, which we love. Especially with the holidays coming, like, are they gift bags? Probably. Anyway, for those that know me, this shoe is very much me. And I know that we're not going out to many events right now, but as soon as we do, these babies are coming with me. I mean, I love that I don't have to tie anything. I just slip them on and I'm looking fierce. So this is the Allonsi Thomas. Like, how gorge. Look at that. I cannot wait to wear these. Okay.